Hi everyone. In today's video, we'll learn how to get the social media links in your YouTube video description in this way. Also, do check out the YouTube Launch Playbook, which is written with pure intent to help YouTube beginners know all the tips and tricks with screenshots and step-by-step guide to set up and launch your channel the right way and also grow it in a way that is very organic. The link is in the video description, right? So you would have seen many videos wherein the social media links in the video description appear in this format. And how do we go about it? So this is my other channel, I am Saave, wherein I have videos, and this is the standard description of my video which appears for every video, right? So first things first is, for every video, for this links to appear, you have to go in settings. I have set this as my upload default settings. So if you go in upload defaults and you see the description, so this is my template which I have kept, right? And hence this appears in every video description, long video, and I don't have to do it repeatedly. So how to go about this? If you see, this is simple plain text which I have kept, right? Only at the end you have to replace at the rate with the channel name. So YouTube with Saave, the Bookreads. So ensure that it's directly the name which is appearing at the rate the Nirwighn Show. Instagram. So if you just copy paste this in your upload defaults in description, this will appear in every video of yours. What I will do is I will basically copy paste this in the comments or in the video description of this video, and you can just use it to keep it as upload default settings for your YouTube channel. I hope that helps, and if you have any queries, do comment on this video, since you are getting inputs on how to do this, and that's why I'm making this video. One thing to ensure is, ensure when you mention this, you type this post the at the rate, because YouTube then it basically pops up the channel name and it asks for it, and you have to select it likewise, right? So ensure you do this, and that's all you have to do, and it will appear for every video. In case you like this video, do like the video and subscribe to our channel YouTube with Saave.